Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your macOS 27. In order to change your wallpaper, you'll need to navigate through the system settings. Then go to Wallpaper, and now, as you can see, there are different ones to choose from that come here pre-installed, but of course, feel free to also choose a different one from your photos, which I'll do in a moment, but first let's try to set an existing wallpaper from these. I do really like this Los Angeles overpass. It's actually animated, which is interesting because as you can see now it's static. But if I lock my screen, then on the lock screen it will appear animated. So as you can see, and it also appears animated on the screensaver. Now when I unlock it, you'll see it will slowly go to a stop. And now let's try to save a picture. To do it, you need to select your photos, add photo, and you can choose from photos or from files. I'll choose from photos. And oh, I don't have many. Okay, now let's try setting a picture. Again, I'll choose from file, but you can choose from photos, of course. Then I should have it in, yeah, this one. When I click on open, you can see it gets applied, and that is basically it. You can change the style, whether it's supposed to fill the screen, so it will resize it in both axes, which means it will keep the proportions, but it'll just cut off the excess part if the wallpaper is in a different aspect ratio. Now fit to screen will add bars, which you can set a color for, which is also nice. I'll use a color picker and I can pick maybe this color here. I think it looks nice. You can so it won't cut off anything from the wallpaper that way. You can also stretch to fill screen. That will stretch it out. So on a very different aspect ratio, it may look stretched and weird. And then center will basically put it in its original resolution on the center, and tile will duplicate it multiple times in its original resolution. And I'll leave it on tile. That looks interesting. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.